different than previous year's NEET because the paper was significantly tough. But one thing is clear that if any student is good, no matter what the level of the paper, the ranking of the students will more or less remain the same. And that is evident because all those students who have qualified, there are about 200 selections. We have published a long list yesterday and I think that would be viral by now. All these students were deserving enough. So my only advice and suggestion is that if you are good, no matter what the level of the paper, you will still get selected because after all it's a relative exam, right?
सबसे पहले मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि आज हमारे बच्चों ने दिखा दिया कि लग गई आग मेरे घर में तो बचा ही क्या है, बच गया मैं तो समझ लो जला ही क्या है. Perhaps this year NEET exam was incredibly challenging and the paper was quite tough. However, thanks to our students' hard work, their dedication, resilience, we were able to ace the exam. I congratulate every student, every teacher, non-teaching parents who contributed to this success, who had the ability to achieve, and inshallah in the future we will achieve more, and by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala